Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to make this twist roll for the gauge watch of the braidly twisted vest design. So let's get started. So you finish your 4th row of this gauge watch. You have the normal double crochet section and the front and both double crochet. So we're gonna chain 2. So this chain 2 count as 1 double crochet. So we continue to make 3 more double crochet. Oops. And this is a twisted part. So you're gonna skip these 2 front bows double crochet and to make 2 treble crochet, the front bows treble crochet into this, the 3rd and 4th stitches. So we're gonna yarn over twice, insert the hook from front to back to the front again, like this. Yarn over, go through, go to 2 and finish. This is 1 treble crochet. Yarn over twice, 2 and finish the 4th treble crochet. Then you yarn over twice. You need to go back to these 2 stitches that we just skipped. So you're gonna do from right to left. So we start with this one first and then go to this one. So insert the hook here, yarn over, go to 2, go to 2, go to 2, finish it, yarn over twice, go to the one hidden in the middle here, yeah, so this will create the twist effect. So continue with 4 normal double crochet, and then we are here again to make a twist. So the same with what we just done. Yarn over twice, skip these 2 stitches, make the front bows double crochet, treble crochet with the 3rd and the 4th. And then we go back to the 1st and the 2nd stitches that we skipped here. Oops. And then finish with 4 double crochet. So this is our twisted row. Chain 2, turn. We're gonna make one normal row for this one. So again, make 2, 3 double crochet. So in this twist row, the twist part that we just done in the previous row, you can see that the stitch, the post of the stitches are twist, but actually when you turn it like this, the stitch on top is still lined up perfectly right, correct. So we also need to follow these stitches. So do not how I'm gonna say this one. So you do the back bows double crochet just normally as you do normally. so bad in English. So you yarn over, you will need to go to this loop, to this post first, which is the one at the back, So insert the hook from the back to front. And this one as well. And then you go to this post here. Yeah, that's it. We can finish the rest of this row. So again, same thing with this one. So you have the twist effect.